Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change font style in Excel using keyboard. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. We can see here many data. Now we want to change the font style. At first, select the font. Then we go to the home menu. Click the font drop down menu. We can see here many font. You can add any font. Now I am select this. We can see we change the font. You can change the style of the font. You can change the color. Select the color drop down menu and change the color. Otherwise you can add the bold effect, italic effect, or the underline. You can change the underline. Otherwise you can make double underline. Now we can see we change the font style in Excel easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.